we're known for pairing world-class academic research and real-world applicability. We bring that to executive learning. Our professors who teach in the programs, they have clear, deep, real-world experience, and when we design the program, we design them based on what the organizations and the individuals need to get better at what they're doing, to use what they're doing when they go back to their organizations. It's personal, connected, and transformative. And that seems like jargon, but we really live and breathe it. It's personal because we want each person, when they come here, wherever they are in their personal journey, to get out of the program what they need. And it's connected because we design the programs to build a community. So it's not just you individually learning something or sitting there listening, but as a community, both the community of the participants and the executives in the group, but also the community outside of the classroom with the professors, with the Tuck staff, with the Tuck students. That interaction builds a community. And it's transformative, and again, everybody talks about being transformative. But when I think about transformative, what we mean is impact. That by coming to a Tuck executive program, you're going to leave here having an impactful experience, that you're going to have a return, a change, a return on investment for both you as an individual, but also for your organizations when you go back, that you're going to be a better decision maker, you're going to be a better leader, you're going to understand and have new capabilities that benefits you and also benefits your organization. It's not you're going to sit back and listen for 2 days, 3 days a week. In the programs themselves, we build exercises, practicing, so that you have practice, you have tried, you have seen where you fall short and what you need to build on. So when you go back to your organizations, not only are you better, but now you can walk your team, people in your organization, through the same exercises to get some of the learnings that you've gotten while you're here at Tuck.